The fluid should be drained after the vehicle has been driven and brought to operating temperature. Hot fluid is more effective than cold fluid at removing built-up sediment. Warning: fluid temperature can exceed 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a hot transaxle. Wear protective gloves. Put the transaxle in park and turn off the engine. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Position a drain pan under the drain plug. Be careful not to touch any of the hot exhaust components. Remove the drain plug and allow the hot transmission fluid to completely drain out. Once the fluid is drained, reinstall the drain plug and tighten it securely. Lower the vehicle. Remove the transmission fluid dipstick, and with the engine off, add the specified transmission fluid through the dipstick tube while using a funnel to prevent spills. Add a little fluid at a time, checking the level with the dipstick and allowing time for the fluid to drain into the pan after filling to achieve an accurate reading. The fluid should reach between the low and high marks on the dipstick at this point. Start the engine, and with your foot on the brake, move the shift selector into all positions from park through low. Then shift back into park and apply the parking brake. With the engine still idling, check the fluid level. Add fluid a little at a time when checking it with the dipstick until it reaches near the upper notch on the dipstick. Insert the dipstick and ensure that it locks in place.